Sir, as far as you have clarified, and thank you for the point-to-point clarification that you have given, I want to understand specifically on the road ahead. There have been some recommendations that have been made by the board. There have been suggestions with respect to specific employees, specific changes being made. Can you outline...
Made in the board?
Specific changes that have been recommended by the founders. I want to understand what are the changes, if at all, what are the suggestions that are being implemented or considered by the board at this point in time, if you could clarify on that. And I completely understand, I don't want you to repeat the point as far as Mr. Bansal's remuneration and severance package is concerned. You've clarified that. What I want to understand is that is there a case, the question that founders have raised is that why were other CFOs not paid a similar amount? Is there a case here for creating a more uniform severance policy over here? Whoever could answer that. Thank you.
Okay, so the answer is that, as I said, after this situation, we said that, we cannot have a subjectivity. We cannot judge that particular transaction, which would then become non-standard. We need to have a standard process for that. We should benchmark the severance pay. We did that exercise. We have already got all our KMP contracts based on the benchmark study that we made, and the severance pay is therefore linked to that. Therefore, there is a certainty. There will be no more Rajiv Bansal for you now to write on. That is all that I'm saying. You can go on writing another Rajiv Bansal, but I want to come back to this point. You have not explained the circumstances. I'm telling you that he explained that there were issues relating to alignment. I mean, he used the word chemistry, alignment. And I strongly believe that it's very important to have aligned management group, particularly when you're moving forward and making changes. And I've gone through this process of making changes, and I've always struggled that if I have a non-aligned person, it slows down the speed. So this is something which all CEOs go through. At that point of time, we took a business call to just move on. Now, as I've said already, in hindsight you could say, but that business judgment was not the best judgment, right? But what we are discussing about is that not that 17.5 crores, by the way, it's not 23 crores, but 23 crores included an element which was due to him in any case for the work that he had done and just discharging his duty. After that, only 5 odd crores had actually been paid and subsequently it's been suspended. So the whole thing is about the 5 crores that they paid. And therefore, I am only saying that as long as we have gone through the process of hunting for any impropriety or the possibility of silencing, and if we've done this exhaustively and there is no such thing, then I think we just have to move on in life.
Swati, please go ahead. Yeah.
No, yeah.
Yeah.
Which is the...
As far as if at all there are any changes that are being considered on the board level, any suggestions by the founders that are being considered?
I mentioned to you that we are going through this process together with Cyril to look at the process of succession planning to give due representations. And we do get suggestions of potential candidates, right? We do get, not merely from the founder group, from others as well. We seek, we get. Now, it would be utterly inappropriate for me to say who are these people, whether we are going to appoint them or not. I don't think that the press conference is the place where you would make appointment of directors. You must pardon me, right? I'm only saying that there is a process, and the process is for getting names, and there is no question about it. We do get names, but it is, as I said, ultimately the board takes the decision of how to make sure that we have the right kind of skills. In fact, we have a skill matrix. We look at in fact, Jeff has been doing this for quite some time now. He's developed a skill matrix. Where do we find that we have the right skills, where we do not have the right skills on the board? Do we have the right kind of combination of voices and the experience? And then we go and hunt, and we solicit names. So that is a process which you should not read too much into that.
Sure.